Magandang hapon sa mga membro ng Gloria Vista Homeowners Association. Tama ba? Gloria Vista Homeowners Association. First of all, I would like to again express my appreciation for coming over, no, to join a short meeting. I asked your President, Attorney Melissa, that we can have another meeting today as part of another event that I will be doing for the poor kids here. Last week, we did medical missions and we had the Flores de Mayo. All of these were already uploaded in Facebook. Some of them will be uploaded in your website. I created a website for your Homeowners Association.
Nilagyan mo na?
The www.gloriavistahomeownersassociation.webs.com www.gloriavistahomeownersassociation.webs.com. Wala pang laman sa ngayon.
Sulat mo na lang mamaya.
Oo, ilalagay natin dyan, ilalagay natin sa ito mga kuha sa picture, no? If you have old projects, mga photos, you can scan them and then you can upload it, no? Para makita na organize kayo dito sa Gloria Vista. Oo, especially your advocacy on the protection of the environment, no? When you're very strong in that area, that's why nakikilinkage ako sa inyo because the Beautiful Heart Foundation has also strong advocacies on the environmental protection. Other than that, I'm trying to mobilize the Homeowners Association to also give back to the community. Perhaps you yourselves have your own healthcare needs, which I addressed already last week or few months ago by sharing with you your medicines. In fact, I brought with me yung mga kailangan hindi makadumi, no? Nagdala ako ngayon ng pampadumi. Kasi nung Dorcolax, suppository, sa kayo iniinom, no? Dicosane. Most of you are old people, so nagkakaroon ng parang digestion problems. So makakatulong ito. Well, anong punto natin? Bakit pinapatawag kayo? Dahil gusto natin ma-organize yung effort natin to take care of the healthcare needs of you personally, kayo mismo, no? And the people around, those poor people around who are maybe squatters in the subdivision, some are informal settlers, no? And they are the ones that I'm very much concerned with because the Beautiful Heart Foundation actually is looking into the healthcare needs of the less fortunate people in the Philippines, no?
Ang namin, yun ang suggest ko one time. Tumagat.